What's going on, guys? Anastacio here with FlytPath.com. Now, with the release of the new DJI Mavic Mini, we are of course going to have a bunch of new accessories hitting the market. These are the first ones that I've seen. We have a new carrying case as well as these landing gear extensions. These are both from Pgytech. So in this video, let's talk a little bit more about these two accessories. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Anastacio. I do a lot of drone tech tips, tutorials, and product reviews right here on this channel. So if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing and also hitting that bell to be notified when I post new videos. Now, if you order the Flymore combo, you would get a case just like this, which holds all your stuff. You have the DJI Mavic Mini cutout right here. You also have the area for your battery hub. And right here, you have a little bottom area for accessories as well as your remote control. And if you didn't get the Flymore combo, you would just get the Mavic Mini itself. There's already a battery in it, as well as the remote control. So there is no case if you just bought the DJI Mavic Mini by itself. You only get the case when you buy something like the Flymore combo, and you would get a case just like this. So if you didn't buy the Flymore combo and you wanted to travel with a case, this is definitely what you're gonna want. This holds the Mavic Mini right here in the middle. Now, these dividers, of course, are Velcro, so you're able to move them around, but let me just show you exactly what I was able to hold with them. I have the Mavic Mini right here in the middle. You have your remote control. You gotta take the sticks off of them. You can put that here on the side. I have a couple extra batteries. Put those here. At the top here, we have two large elastic pockets. What I do is I just put my remote control sticks right here on the inside of that. And then if you fold this down, you have a lot more room on this side as well. You have a bunch of elastic bands meant to hold things like your cables, also a little memory card. And then you have a huge pocket here at the very top. This is to hold things like your extra propellers. So once they come out with things like filters and other accessories, you're able to put that into this large pocket right here. Now, according to the diagram that comes with this case, it doesn't have the charger on here, mainly because if you bought the Flymore combo, then you get the hub. If you didn't buy the Flymore combo, then you wouldn't be getting this hub. But if you were to purchase it separately, even though it's not listed here on this diagram, I was able to fit it inside this case. Basically, what you're going to do is put it here on the far left-hand side. Most of the pressure will just be right here over the remote control, and not necessarily right on top of the Mavic Mini. Now, it's not recommended to do it, but because of the fact I had the Flymore combo, I wanted to see if I'm able to fit everything in here. Yes, it does fit. It's not going to be ideal, but if you were to be in a pinch and you wanted to keep everything in here, just to let you guys know it does fit, but it is a little bit snug of a fit. I probably would not want to do that. I'll probably just take it out, throw the hub either in my backpack or just probably leave it at home or wherever I'm at. Now, as far as the other product from Pgytech, we have these landing gear extensions. So they're actually right here. Let me show you these and what it does come with and how to attach them to your Mavic Mini. Now, the reason why they made these leg extensions, of course, is to raise up your DJI Mavic Mini off the ground just a little bit. For those especially that are not comfortable hand launching and hand catching your Mavic, and you find yourself in a place where it's not ideal, maybe you have to take off in some low grass or some dirt or gravel. Those leg extensions now bring your Mavic Mini up just a little bit to give you a little bit of clearance, especially around that camera area. Now, to install the fronts, very straightforward. All you have to do is look at the Pgytech logo here, and then you slide those on just like that, and they click in. And to open these up, all you want to do is support the arm before you pull these out, mainly because, you know, these legs right here are pretty fragile, they're pretty thin, so you want to open this up and support it, and all you do is pull this out and down. Now, the backs are a little trickier. What you want to do is look at the Pgytech logo just like that while your Mavic is opened up, and these are going to go around the back portion right here where this hinges. So you just have to push this right over the back arm, and once it's around the leg, it will then click into place. Let's see if you can hear that. I was able to fly the Mavic Mini on a bunch of flights. I didn't have any issues with it. There wasn't anything that felt like it just was out of place. There was no drifting or anything going on with my Mavic. And the one thing that's really nice about these is that they fold up just like so. So these fold up, and that way you don't have to take them off. It actually looks like a factory piece. It looks really, really clean. Looks like everything matches. And you have the back legs right there that just folds in. And then as you can see, this is that other one right here on the front. And there it is, guys. Just a couple new accessories. We have the leg extensions as well as the new case from Pgytech. And Pgytech was nice enough to give me an extra set to give out to 2 lucky winners. And as you guys know, on my channel, pretty simple to win. All you have to do is, of course, like this video. You must be subscribed to the channel. And make sure you leave me a comment down below of these 2 right here. Which one would you like? Leave me that comment below. Either write that you want the leg extensions or you want the case for the Mavic Mini. Just leave me one comment and pick which one of these you want to win. And next week, I'll pick out a random comment from those entries. So make sure you guys put that information down below. And of course, like and subscribe to this channel. And that's about it, guys. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys got some value from this video. And of course, if you did, smash that like button. This is Ultra Anastasio with FlytPath.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.